So here's some good news for mutual fund investors. SEBI has proposed to tighten rules on how much fund houses can charge you. And if this happens, your investments could now become cheaper, cleaner, and more transparent. Let's talk about what they have really proposed, and here's what's changing. First, there is an extra cost which is charged to you, which is proposed to be removed now. That is 0.05% additional expense that AMCs were allowed to charge since 2018. But SEBI says now it should not be charged, so you save your money a bit more every year. To balance this, SEBI has slightly increased the base expense limit for the first few slabs. This keeps AMCs viable without raising your overall cost. Now, currently, if we talk about taxes, the regulatory expenses like GST, STT or stamp duty, they are hidden inside your total expense ratio. Now, they'll be shown separately, so you will see exactly what you're paying for. And for equity funds, we see brokerage, which is paid. It is proposed to be dropped from 12 basis points to 2 basis points, and for derivatives from 5 to 1 basis points. That would mean less money lost in transaction costs. Earlier, AMCs could bundle research fees inside the brokerage that you're paying. That's proposed to be changed. So you're not paying twice for the same service that the AMC is giving you. And soon, AMCs might be allowed to link expenses to how well your fund performs. So they earn more only when you do. So basically, it's performance linked. From now on, AMCs must clearly show how every rupee of expense ratio is spent on management fee, brokerage and levies, giving you full transparency. Of course, by doing this and proposing this, SEBI is trying to ensure that there are few hidden costs, more clarity and better alignment between you and your fund manager. But as I said, these are just proposals. Comments have been invited till 17th of November, and that is when we'll get clarity on what is finalized. But if it does get finalized, it is good news for mutual fund investors.